Salt Lake City 2002 Olympic bid bribery scandal.
It's a huge scandal in the U.S., and some of its repercussions are being felt here. It's the Olympic bribery scandal in Salt Lake City. There are allegations the city won the Winter Games for the year 2002 by bribing some members of the International Olympic Committee. Tom Kennedy reports on the scandal and why it matters here.
The whiff of scandal permeates the 2002 Games, and the International Olympic Committee is scrambling to reassure everyone it is cleaning up its act.
Unseemly things had happened, but we never had the facts. No one had the courage to say, well, here's the ledger, here's what happened. And now we do, and we can take action.
The scandal began last month. Accusations that Salt Lake City had bribed some IOC members with cash, gifts, possibly even the services of prostitutes, so it could get the 2002 Games.
I have tendered my resignation today.
Since then, the two top members of the Salt Lake City Olympic Committee have resigned, and the IOC has begun an investigation of its own members. But is that enough to salvage the 2002 Games?
Salt Lake City has already raised approximately 75% of the revenues needed to put on the 2002 Games.
But what about the other 25%? The city still needs about $350 million US, and some key sponsors are beginning to have second thoughts. Should they pay money to a tainted Games? To the north, one possible solution. Calgary has Olympic facilities. They're 10 years old now, but organizers there say they are still adequate.
We don't hope they fail, but we have offered on a number of occasions to stand in if any city should ever fail to be able to complete their obligations.
Another Canadian city watching the scandal closely is Quebec. 3 years ago, it spent $12 million on its own bid for the 2002 Games. It was crushed by its defeat and now furious that its competition may have cheated.
That there was not only the pot de vin bribery, but there seems to have been some corruption.
Some Quebec organizers want to sue the IOC to get back the money spent on the 2002 Olympic bid. The mayor told his council last night, let's wait to see what the IOC's investigation concludes.
The investigation is being headed by a Canadian, Dick Pound. He's also an IOC vice president. His report is due on January the 24th, and the IOC promises that the very next day it will fire any members found to be corrupt. The 2002 Olympics may be forever tainted by this scandal, but Salt Lake City says the Games will go ahead.